name's Lottie.
And my name's Molly, and today we'll be doing a video on expectations versus reality.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh. When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. All out, turn the beat up. Hey, now I'm glad to meet ya. Turn up, girl, blow the speaker. Yeah, think about it now, blow the speaker. I'll speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billionaire bottles, we just down. I'm like, ain't no problem, all my wrongs are right. Alright, alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my trophy. Don't push it, cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax on. We can put it on the black card all night and I'll spend it, cause I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Uh-oh. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. Uh-oh.
Hope you enjoyed our short video clip of reality versus expectations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for future videos. Bye!
I don't like it. No, I love it. Alright, let's all aboard. I love it. And the other girls, they can't touch it. Competition, that's a whole other subject. I wanna walk it out in public. You a star, baby, just go. Let's go to the mansion or the condo. That's cool. Every time, gotta let it flow. I'm watching. I don't like it. I love it. Uh-oh.
Why have you got that?
So good it hurts. I don't want it.
Why is this baby on?
I can't find the words, I just go.
Dirty less. We are cheerleaders. Where's the daisy chain? What? Hey, fever! I bought you a treat. Okay. Just need to go to get Scene. Maybe we can. We need a poo. I need a poo. Do you actually? I need to wee. Do you actually? Yes. The camera's rolling. Hamburger, cheeseburger, macaroni. Ah!